Greetings, guys. I'm just coming out of the town centre in Buxton, Derbyshire, out into the forest, where in the town there's a carnival today, fantastic carnival. There's thousands of people there, and there's a big fair, which happens every single year. And I remember it well because on this day in 1994, I got married to Carmen, and we had a procession through the carnival. It was an amazing day. And, you know, I was 26, she was 24. We had the wedding of a life, white wedding, incredible. That's why this day is very meaningful to me. Now, she died last year of cancer, very suddenly. And obviously we weren't together for, I don't know, since 2008, but she was an amazing mother, an amazing human. And I miss her a great deal. And obviously my children do a great deal. So I'm living with my mum right now. And some people, when I say, you're living with your mum? How old are you, Marky? 57. I said, well, yeah. I leased my house. I'm living with my mum for like 4 or 5 months to get her back to where she needs to be. Because she lost her partner, who she was together with him for 40 years, nearly 45 years. Big hole that leaves, you know. So I'm with her right now. And yes, she's, even in 57, she mothers me every freaking day, right? Put your sun cream on. Don't forget to do this. Have you eaten yet? Blah, blah, blah. She's all over me. I said, Mom, stop mothering me, please, right? So just want to send this message. And also, a lot of you know that I've had a lot of trolls and haters recently, especially recently. And I just want you to know that that is part of success. It always happens. That the higher you rise, in England they call it the tall poppy syndrome. That means if you're taller than them, they'll try and chop your head off. They'll try and chop you down, because people that used to know you don't want you to leave them and have the success that they desperately want. But the reason they don't have it is because they're cowards and they don't have the courage to go in and do it. So what they do is they try and chop you down and play all kinds of shit, right? And this is a very important message, because of all the things that get in the way of your progress, it's always other people that don't like what you're doing and are jealous. And I've spent far too much time, far too many years, far too much energy trying to please people, which is impossible, because they don't want that. They want you. They want your success. They don't give a fuck about you. So I want you to know that the people that are around you now, make sure they are supporting your journey. So to spot these people, you'll hear different kinds of languages. So for example, if the people around you are not really your support group, you'll hear language like, well, are you sure you're doing the right thing? There's a plan B. It's a bit too risky what you're doing. I don't want you to do it. I want you to be safe with me. Don't do that. Those people are con men, con people. What are you doing in the Start Over movement? What's it all about? Sounds like a cult, right? Those are the people who don't want around you. Now, the people that you do want around you are the people that go, Lisa, I fucking believe in you. I've got you back. You've got this. I will support you, whatever you want to do. You deserve the success, but you know you've got to work your tail off to do it. So go and do it, and I'll be there for you. Don't whine at me that it's hard. Just fucking do it, because it is hard, right? Choose your hard. Working your ass off for the next few years and attaining freedom, or working your ass off for the rest of your life and listening to fucking losers that haven't got what you want, but you take advice from. That's my idea of hell. So, yes, I've had a lot of trolls recently. And what I do is I remain calm, vigilant, and always legally right. And anyone that challenges me, there's always a lawyer that is there with me to basically fight my corner. And there's always me fighting my corner. Now, every successful person out there, Lady Gaga, Taylor Swift, Richard Branson, Joe Dispenza, Johnny Depp, many celebrities and famous people have all had ridicule, jealousy, trolls, people that want to bring them down, all right? And I want you to know, one of the reasons I created the Start Over movement is to help you get to the next level, start again, and basically give a big middle fucking finger to the people that have been holding you back. Because as Frank Sinatra says, the best form of revenge is massive success. And all you guys have decided to commit to take a journey with me. And you know that journey's not perfect. You know, sometimes, for example, the event dates are mixed up and the event venues are mixed up and we don't get them on school in time and we're not perfect. We don't plan the events 15 years ahead, right? The reason I don't do that is because I'm an entrepreneur. And entrepreneurs do things and take a shit ton of action now and worry about how to put it together later. Right? Basically, an entrepreneur jumps off a cliff and makes an aeroplane on the way down. That's me. That's what I do. And I've got no excuses. I'm fucking unapologetic about it. But I can guarantee you, I will support you. I know you work your ass off, and the book tour so far has been amazingly successful, but it's also been a vibe. The community that we're building is so fucking inspirational, you know? So much courage. People that want to go all the way. People that are fed up with where they've been and want to take it to the next level, all right? And honest to God, guys, this project has gone bonkers. It's gone viral, and it's only going to get bigger. And if you ask me, well, Marco, you only do it for the money, I can show you my accounts, and I can tell you right now that I haven't made a cent on this project. I've actually lost money. And if I show you how much I spent on adverts, how much I spent on editors, books, designers, staff, team, venues, fucking hell. It's a lot. It's a lot of money, you know. I've just about managed to get it over the line, but I've taken a loss. But sometimes you've got to take a loss to get to a real big place, and I'm so glad that I invested and made a loss, because now the position is amazing that we're in. People are reaching out to you individually saying, oh my God, this project's amazing, I want to be part of it. I get messages every single day, you know. So I want to give you some gratitude from me to your commitment to me and having my back, that when anything happens, and I've got people sending me a message, oh Marco, this just will let you know this person said you're a scammer, right, and all that kind of shit. I get it every single day. But the people that send me the messages are like so amazing. Said, listen, Marco, these people are fucking losers, right? You're always going to get it. I said, yeah, I get it all the time, right? Because I've never met anyone doing better than me that's a hater. So I want you to get in there, have faith, and remember, there's a reason you're here. There's a reason that you wanted to share your story of courage. And most of you are fed up with holding back from telling it because you're worried about what other people are going to think about you. You're in that people-pleasing mode. Fuck all that shit. Tell your story. If you have to protect names, protect the names. Use a pseudonym. Don't give a fuck, right? Just share your story. There are also people in here that don't give an absolute toss. They just do it anyway. They don't care who they upset. Of course, if they're legally correct, that's fine, right? But look at the growth within this group. Look at what you've achieved together in this group. Look at where you've got in this group. I'm not going to name names, but there are people that have overturned police cases. There are people that have gone to court and won. There are people that are speaking for the very first time in their lives, and people are crying in the audience. This is life fucking changing, right? And I want you to know, whatever happens is the right thing, because this is going to be absolutely epic. So hold the line. Don't worry about me getting attacked. I love it. I just love pissing the haters off, because what I love about the haters, sometimes they think, how can Marco keep going after that? We're going to destroy him. He's never going to make a post again. He's going to capitulate. He's never going to appear on social media. He's all, you know, right? And what I love doing the most is rising the fuck up, doing something incredible and shutting them the fuck up. Keep pissing them off, guys. I wish you a fantastic weekend as I have another walk in the forest. I'm literally walking 15 miles a day in the forest. No weight training right now. I'm going back to that next week. But for me, it was a healing journey to really feel that I was doing the right thing, to really connect with myself. I don't have a relationship. I've got amazing kids. Well, they work with me. I've got my mum. I've got some very close friends around me. And I've got an incredible community of you guys. So give me a thumbs up. Give me something. Let me know you're in. And let's do this and take it to the next chapter.